Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open 2018 Chevy Silverado Key Fob Easy Guide. Start by gathering a small flathead screwdriver and a soft cloth to protect the fob finish. Work slowly along the seam, inserting the screwdriver at the notch and twisting gently to pry the halves apart. Remove the battery carefully and note the orientation before replacing or inspecting internal parts. Keep parts on a tray so nothing gets lost. Begin by locating the notch near the key ring and position your screwdriver gently. Pry slowly to separate the two halves, easing any plastic clips free without forcing them. Once open, inspect the interior for corrosion, loose parts, or a failing battery before touching the circuit board. Replace the battery with the same type and orientation and test the buttons before fully reassembling. Reclip the housing carefully so everything sits flush and secure. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more easy car guides. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated during projects and fits cup holders, so you won't miss a step while working on your key fob. It seals well and has a handy carry loop for the garage or road. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. After removing the old battery, compare it to a fresh one and replace only with the same type for reliable operation. Test the fob by pressing buttons while the housing is open to confirm function before closing. When reassembling, align both halves and press firmly and evenly so all clips engage without forcing any part. If the fob still fails, clean contact points gently and consider professional help for circuit issues or key programming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.